phone not charge me.
So you just plug it in. But me having headphone like so change up the channel. Who is here? You make me feel like. You make me feel lighter when the bright lights start to fade. Fire up your lighter.
What got Mel? Flown on with the wave.
You
Make
make me
me
feel
feel
lighter.
Oh, that come on, Papi Shore or something.
Puppy show, puppy show. What go on, puppy show? Yeah, we're there, you know?
Do you want more like something else? I put in there for you.
Leave the milk for later. What go on, peeps? You know, say a long time when you see it, long time when you upload. You know what I mean? Ocean JA, what's up, what's up, what's up? First of all, we'll get this out of the way, guys. We miss you all. Right? We miss you, bad. You know? So we just come to say hi, Zimi, and everything. Yeah, so hi, no bye bye. A joke, but so how is everybody? Hope everybody good and thing, you know. You make me feel like. Yeah, me have some singing class the other day, so I kind of feel excited, you know. I test out the new voice. I don't know why this keep on that. But you never study this.
Tighten, no, 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 tighten. No, yeah.
So Ocean say we miss you guys too.
You know, so that time to
And
come on.
today and me and Sexy Chase I said talk about you know what? Yes. I'm glad to remember we said we you know and thing. Yeah. We don't want to the love that I said we but we still push out fully man, you know. But we just have a little some little thing I deal with you know. Yeah, but not we've been watching you guys videos like crazy, you know. Been watching you guys videos like crazy, you know. Puppy show videos, you know. Ocean JA with the short clips them. She and her husband doing good.
The reaction.
Yeah, the reaction videos they are so awesome, you know. Puppy show and film video them. We just
The Jamaica vlog them.
yeah, Jamaica vlogs them and thing. We've been watching everything, you know, and we enjoy everything. Holly, what Holly? Holly turn big star. Ocean turn Holly now and big star. Holly turn big superstar. Holly turn big superstar, you know. So so we are come live, come say hi, as we said earlier, you know. So, Mele gone already. So we never start see more of we, you know. And thing. You know, once a coffee and always the height from the camera. I don't know why. You know? Always the height from the camera. Like say me the spokesman and Shadi, the editor, you know? And she had the most talkative one, you know. And me do all of the editing. So I don't know where she take up my responsibility for. I thought Lord Papi Show, I thought Lord I will bless him up. Yeah man, Papi Show done one big Ali done one big star man. One big star. Ocean said half a day belly again. Steps around me.
I'm still in the bed. I don't know. I'm not sitting around and she still run come back around.
Oh, Ocean belly I get big now. Yeah, we've been watching the updates. Yeah, watching up the updates, man. Ocean belly getting big. More to say my belly I get big too. My belly I get bigger too. See, Ocean say why if you show a beautiful face. Tell her
Let's show the right hand.
tell her for me Ocean. Come you know why she hide. Well my belly no man my belly big man. As you know she more link up for the neutral burst. I'm start drink some kumba water or some breadfruit water something 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 needs to be done man. Something need to be done about this belly. This belly I get out of hand wicked.
She said she's a call her phone. She call it back again? No, she never call it back. Look why she's a call it. Since me and my bathroom. No, let me get my bed back. Call her back. This is something that I use the phone. Oh, really? Phone not come back. I good look when I know she's a call. About 15 minutes ago?
About that?
Yeah, about 15 minutes ago she's a call. She not
No,
answer
don't
back.
do that. Oh gosh man. Che, Renz, look at the Renz. No man. Can't stop blush now. No, no man Renz. Oh gosh. What's your man? What's your man?
Shall I save this screenshot?
No sir. No sir, this not right. Where Renz does say I wanna go about handsome. That have a buzz. Nah, that have a buzz, Ren. No man, Ren. I get me excited now. Coffee and hide as usual. Hiding as usual. You know? She do her backstage work with the editing and all them, you know? So yeah. But when Ren say a while ago, that have a buzz. I watch her. No, and the face fat in the people. I blush, me I blush. And me can't stop blush.
Tell the people them say now make no video me I gonna say I make the video them right now.
Really? She complains to me now, I'm in a video, she alone I make video. Eh?
Me I gonna see the past two video them free.
No, no,
The
no,
two last video them.
no.
Who make the two last video them?
Which two last videos? Come on, man.
Yeah, yes, actually I'm busy with work, man. So me not pressure him, Work have him away.
Work have me away. Yeah, that people say work have me away. But we are come out with some banger, guys. We don't even want go into the surprise, Come out with some banger, man. We not give up, man. We still up on the jive, Yeah. Here I get tall and thing. Oh, long when you not see we no here I get tall. Right I get long and call taller so right? Taller up, longer down, right? Yeah. But you have to turn the fan like yeah. Life of clear. What's up? What's up? How are you? How are you tonight? Welcome to the live. Remember to thumbs up the live, share out the live if you can. Yes, and only friendly like comments. Ta-da! I remember what to say. Yeah, over the sun. So we need people around. Lady clear in the building. Lady clear. Nothing much, sir. That sound like excited. You had an exciting day, Just the way you come off, the gesture you gave me, and nothing much, sir. Yeah? Sounds like you had a wonderful day. Yes. Hello, sister, says Lady Clear. You know? I asked them, I asked them already. See how she's laughing. So I know that she had a wonderful day. Such a wonderful day. Guys, don't mind me twanging. Yes. sometimes sometimes this is my personality. Yes, I love to talk properly, although they say that Jamaicans talk bad. Yes, thumbs up and share out the live, guys. Please and thanks. Do what Lady Rain says. Anything that Lady Rain say, Lady Clear say, you guys follow Lady Clear. Lady Clear is the one controlling this live, right? So like, share, and do. Come, come. No, and I wrong name, I slip, man. I should never. I slip, man. Lady Clear. The beautiful Lady Clear. Let me introduce her. Lady Clear. A strong, independent lady. Beautiful. So give her a round of applause for me. Yeah. We don't want to coffee, don't it? We don't want to coffee, right? Come on, man. So what a night going that?
No, you can't put my YouTube there, man.
Oh, she can't come on YouTube. So. tongues. I see. There you go. There you go. See, Ocean, I say yes. Guys, says she naked, guys. So she can't, she can't come on the live. Don't want YouTube to get too excited with us. Ooh, see that? Wife always looking good. I don't know why.
Gwaan, Gwaan. Walk it. Gwaan.
Later in say I'm Clay's resting tonight. Lady Claire, are you resting tonight? Something like that. Yeah, man, sometimes I have to take a little rest, you know? Have a rest day. Can't just go on and on and on and on and on. You have to rest and smooth it out. You know what I mean? Have a relax. Woosa. Woosa. You know? Yes. We have a next wonderful guest jumping in right here. We have some more guests jumping in right here. If you're just jumping into the live, guys, welcome, 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 and good night. Remember to thumbs up, share out the live if you can. Yes, 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 yes. T, welcome, T. Yes, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. I want everybody to feel overwhelmed and joy when I'm saying welcome to life. And we love and respect everybody. I do some singing class and so guys. So if I chip out with a note, you know, if I chip out with a note and do, you know, judge how the notes sound, you know. I'm in training, right? Right, babe?
Right.
Yes, I'm in training, guys. And I'm going to be a star.
Yes, speak.
You're going to be a star around here. Yes, so everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. You know? No, I can't do that. TT. TT saying, hey, Cleo, you had a good day off. I could have known, say, um, Lady Cleo, enjoy her day. You know? I could have known that today her day off. Lady Cleo, all I know say today have a good day, a well relaxed day. Eh? No, man. Ocean say I belly I get too big. Ocean, man, a twin you have in the ocean. Cause Holly a star, you know.
You got to brush it out? Oh,
Have
yeah,
a
be true.
buzz.
That's somebody wash it general.
Clear day, have a buzz. Have a buzz. Zzz. Right, 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 right. Right, right, right. Later, Ocean said no, no Benz, no twin, one girl. Might be surprising, right? Blessings don't come in one, come in bungles, right? So they can be surprised. And that day, and that pushing day, it might be pushing twice. Say Ali, right? Aliton, one big star, one big superstar. One big superstar, Aliton. One big
You know,
superstar.
hide up Ali, man. Me no know Ali come out.
Eh?
Pop out.
Right.
Hey, this say me laugh. I went to
Say.
about 10 or 10 times watch over about the video. The first.
What? The first one. Ali come right out.
You know the video then.
Right. Now, man. A Holly. So Holly have a buzz.
Ali. Yeah.
Holly.
Her husband, yes, sir?
Yeah.
Is A. Or him new start in that age.
Oh. I have a buzz still. I not like I have a buzz. You know what I mean? It's alright. See, in accent, wow. See, Holly,
This is Ali say, I got you.
I got you.
You with those lashes. Mr. Me laugh. Me say, hear me, Ocean, why were you hiding Ali all this time? Oh my God, him funny man, him hilarious, entertaining, wow.
We don't watch regular TV, you know.
Yes,
YouTube we watch.
Ali a punk a come with Ducky Prank.
Dopey prank, eh?
Say man, oh man, Ali is best. Who just say, you should gonna be with something. So, watch out, eh?
I tell you. You know, good way you can enjoy yourself with your spouse, you know?
Enjoy
Yeah.
each other.
Yeah, man, nice when you can enjoy yourself. You know? When you not living in a war and you not living in this, you know? When you just laugh together and you know? There's just a joy. You know? Yeah.
England, again.
Guys, we know the most miss Allen nice, you know. Pepsi and Zion. We the most remember Pepsi and Zion.
Oh, Jesus.
And then have some new family members still. Ocean to get out. You know what I mean?
You fall down with laughter. Yo, me I tell you, man, Alex funny. Father.
Yeah, but we don't say war and you know, vexation, all of them things that come, but most good times. Go away, dog. So, guys, some eyes are looking swollen. You know, been working, no rest. Tell her I said, don't be real, don't be real.
Believe, kill, believe, cure.
Believe, kill,
If you
believe,
don't believe in
pure.
that thing, if
Oh,
you
wait,
don't
go.
believe,
Believe, kill,
believe.
believe, cure. Anything you can kill you believe in it. Anything can. Why
Believe,
mean that
kill,
saying?
believe, cure. If you believe in it, well, it goes so. Well, if you don't believe in it, it just not goes so.
Yeah.
That's my understanding. I don't know.
Well, me no want to say don't be real or when me go book up in there, me no know what. You understand?
They say I would run if I was me.
So man. Well, me not really afraid them thing there. Well, me no know if you grew up in a church
Let
and
me box you in.
well, me know their country they want to talk about rolling calf and them little thing there and everything. You know when we used to small and we used to go country, you know me used to eat when night come and them start talk about dopey.
I'm afraid.
When when night come, I have to start talk about dopey. And back then, I did when I go down to my country, I did outside bathroom. Yeah. So everybody try for pee pee, try for use the bathroom, try for use the number 2 from early out before night come. You see me? And them start tell the dopey story and all them kind of thing there. You see me? From dopey story start, everybody gather, nobody no want to use the bathroom. You see me? If you have to use it, God help you. And remember, saying the street light no outside there, you know. No street, no street light like up at town here and Kingston and them places. Is me only
She like down there, but on the main.
me attack which part me live or
Oh,
which part my country there. Right? Me not talk uptown country. Me talk country, it's the country,
oh.
bush. Is me? Which parish? Me come from Chulani. Yeah man, bush when Duppy story start tell man. Then and one thing with country people, them tell Duppy. Back then still, them tell Duppy story convincing. Me no so me did younger. Me did afraid. Anytime my mother say, we are going country, I'm like, I want to go because of the daytime, you know. The daytime where you can go a river, you can go this, you can walk this, everything. But of fruits and all of them things about it. You don't want to go now? Night time, when I want to tell them
So you
the
get
story.
all them something there?
Not that back then,
Oh, oh.
back then. And I'm talking about the rolling cap and the wickedest sin. That's why I say your mind, you know, your mind is very powerful, you know. Mind is very powerful. So when you do Duppy stories tell and everything,
Mm.
you start hear all kind of things. Your ear door start lock by itself.
Oh, well,
Your,
I'm a little foolish that night.
your ear door start lock by itself. You hear people are calling name when you ask them if you
I
call
get
them.
some rolling out of the way I want to walk, what?
Say you hear some strange noise. You hear start like people start walking on all the roof. Before the doors, Duppy storytelling, everything good, you know. But you see, after I tell, eh? Af-
Problem.
what? Hell broke loose, man, I
As I
lie.
say, when me a pick them go Manchester, I'm afraid of cold water after cheap pain fast. It's so true, I follow you say this thing. Actually, you say about them in the outside, I have be there. Straight thing, you see somebody stand up over this side. When nobody stand up over there, you know.
Brother, brother, go through them
Boy,
thing there, man. You see me?
broken at them something
Go
now.
through them thing there. Yeah, man, you see, alright.
Real.
You see, during the day, you have to do everything during the day, because no one want to go outside.
So you say, I'll 3 o'clock pass, nobody be here. That be crazy. That, you know. Yeah, man, I true. Don't hear calls.
I,
Manchester, St. Elizabeth.
so the first time when me start go
One.
country, and night come,
Mm.
I used to think that country was just a creepy place.
You know, they were like, oh dear.
Country was just a creepy
Because
place.
at
'Cause,
those
you
times,
see, now when night come,
yeah,
you pull your back door,
yeah.
I hear the sounds. It's like a,
Cricket and all sort of rumbling and
yeah, it's
moving.
just that, and you watch Duppy stories, it play with your mind. It play with your mind, right? All right. But no, say you use the editing and everything, right? Then when you not
In
edit,
the night,
when you
yeah.
not edit, you put in the effect sound, the scary sound, them man.
So they say them see the night and they see the cat eyes. Yes, with true
All of the
motion
scary
and
sound, them when you put in and everything to make the video more
you know, so
exciting.
sometimes I push them to Friday too, because sometimes they just want bright light and you wonder when.
I say, if you see a cow and the cow say, you run. Answer. And then you have this thing now. It's when them talk about country, they normally talk about most like rolling calf.
No, I dopey as in
Yeah, we see
dopey.
them talk about
Like
rolling
you
calf.
see people you can't see no head and the body alone. You not see the head part and just the body
Mm.
alone. You can't see no face. You never hear one like that before.
That's true, but I always see them talk about
But rolling cat or
rolling
something where
calf.
you always hear about.
Rolling calf,
You
rolling
about
calf.
something around on the house and something.
Boy, no, sir. Country, to me, country was just a, boy,
So
country
as I
was,
say, all food story them used to tell me about rolling calf and the banana tree. Them. For sure, when they
sassy,
hear some little breeze
sassy,
and roll,
sassy rain. You only have said it, them a full story now.
can we get
But,
all
but
that?
back then, they never say a full story. Cause when night come, no one go outside.
Leo
No
said,
one go
life
outside.
have to chill. say, I guess you're not sleeping tonight.
She's sleeping up, but she sleep close. She sleep tight
You
and
know the
curled up,
problem
man.
for me is all that picture for sleep than Billy lie down, Billy just for sleep.
Now you can't tell me any door Duppy story. No, you can't tell me any door Duppy story. But back then was crazy, you know.
He's a big woman, me still afraid.
I'm afraid at times.
No, for true enough time, I when I come from work late in the
At
morning.
alright.
Afraid?
It's when me alone there home.
Mm.
Me alone there home, and I'm a there home. I'm hear door slam bloof.
Mm-hmm.
My mind, I tell me say, somebody a breeze a blow. But when the door like literally bloof again, I'm like, no, hell no. But I know the lock. So it
You
lock
never
again.
reach me though that never yet reach me. One night me alone there, you know. Me alone and God.
Mm,
And me say, I'm afraid, me don't know where this afraidness come from, you know.
mm.
Me alone and God. Me just go to and all of the light from in the kitchen, living room, tipping room, bathroom,
Yeah.
come
People
straight through and open the
when
door,
people
them
afraid,
ride.
them always turn on the light
Me
and
say me
everything.
afraid. Me don't know what
Mm.
happened by night, but me not even know when me need to sleep.
Me no want nobody get dramatized by this story.
We need to change the topic.
Listen, I don't want nobody get dramatized by this, you
Because
know.
you look like that
Right?
coward type.
Come on, everybody have a good night's sleep.
Honestly, Saturday night, the man
Right?
turn on all of the light, them come straight down to my room. And open the door, them. They say,
Yeah, me not like when me hear all of
different
a
like,
sudden door just a lock.
mm-mm.
Right? Door just a lock. And then you
So
see,
me say,
alright.
yeah, follow
You
the
see the
ocean, the
wickedest thing?
terrible of
You
you.
see the wickedest
Close
thing?
all of the door.
You see if your mind,
Open
if
the
you start get afraid, things start get worse.
me say, me open the bathroom door, people room door, because you know, two people room
Mm.
always locked.
If you if your mind tell us you start get afraid, that's how things get worse. Cause your mind start telling us you start hear footstep,
Me say,
you start hear people are call you. Boy, I don't know.
babe, me say, one Christmas, you know, because them from St. Thomas come down, you know, they can really a country. Them time they live a country. Christmas time they were unto us. And them up there talk about big dopey story, you know.
Mm,
You see when me figure out my yard is a problem. They want to follow me
mm,
go halfway.
mm.
Yeah.
So the wickedest thing,
Some man them come up with some dopey
guys,
story I wanna go so.
don't laugh off of one. Don't laugh
What
off of
so?
one. Right? Remember saying, we're afraid, when we little, we're afraid,
Eh,
I mean, I want to hear the dopey story.
eh.
But when them tell,
You still sit on a
me
little.
still sit down and call them nice. But when them done,
And if you get up and guy your bed. So like
guys,
Sassy say, one night we look outside and come like the tuber walk come towards the house.
mm,
I like a place say I prove it. No is there St. Thomas, laugh all out sir.
yeah, man, St.
Me say my
Thomas,
cousin, me have some cousin from St. Thomas, me I
St.
tell
Thomas,
you.
yeah, them no for this,
Ever and Shavar when them don't tell me the story the night, me say afraid. Me say when people go down have to go sleep.
mm,
So me shut me eye, is like me a vision and a picture everything when they was say.
mm. Yeah, man, why? Country, I still say country for me was
Country.
just a creepy place. It's a
Girl grew up in that country and afraid
creepy,
it's ready. Yo.
creepy place. Creepy
Especially
place.
at night.
At night, country are so creepy. Whereas where if you, alright, say your relative live way up the road,
You know, see one next house to the reach.
and you make 6 o'clock come catch you in up your relative either your friend, yeah, then
Hey,
I have to walk the
we
lonely
need,
road go down,
we
Nah,
have a style, you know.
nah, walk go
You know
down.
the Usha, we take taxi before you go around my house a country. On the main road, man.
So read and say something.
At night time, I chew it hold your man, or when you're afraid, you remember ocean.
Yeah, man, how you afraid of us sit down and listen because
Usually
it's
look out
nice.
the road, you know. And the main road, you know, and me afraid of me alone now go around. Me have to just stand up and wait until see somebody are growing at night
Mm.
time, then me go around with them. Yeah.
No, but that's
We
the
make
thing.
night catch me a road
That's the thing
afraid.
now. If you go wait for somebody, you see somebody a come, you can't just jump up and go to them. You have to wait because you don't know if I do it.
No, my uncle them always
Oh,
stand on the main road.
oh.
By them evening time they would have go out and
Come have a
then
look.
night time now, like 6, 7 o'clock they would have go out. Just you think they were growing up full of them.
Dope story,
Oh.
but no, me
That,
listen to them so them
that
man.
was before they put up all of the street lights.
Mm-hmm. But country, country was
Me never used to go around and my uncle was when say country people wicked to toad people if it true.
yeah, that's the thing. If you come from town, go down a country,
Mm-hmm.
them make you get dramatized.
Trauma.
Traumatized. Why them come up with one bag of drama. I tell you. And then the trees, oh my, no man, when I lie. The trees, the breeze, everything, the tree back then was like this. Dancing like ghosts. Whoa.
They change it up in the man.
Whoa.
You really change it up in.
Yeah, walk, yeah, shaking it. I said, boy. And so the next thing, when I walk, I that's how I see the mind.
Mm-hmm.
Tell it to the mind. But I'm using me use the things that people
Sometimes
around me down.
two street light on the road and the place dark. But true man, cause them they so far apart.
For me use the things that people always around me down. You see me? And the faster I'm run and the nearer I'm feel something I come.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you know what you feel like that? You walk and you
It's like
literally
somebody
feel
they decide you.
yeah, I walk it down. And you start run and let the person start run too.
Hey man, wait, you know.
Yo, the mind is a powerful thing, man.
I'm me alone can go to that joke.
You see Ren's something again like.
Me I come me a lot. Not with her.
Yeah man, why? But no country nice now. Country
Country
nice
music on here
now.
no man. People
Yeah.
never heard no fun.
When I think them nowadays
A
pick me
lot
a
of street life.
experience country like how we would have experience country, dopey story and all of them so on there.
Thing.
And the boy man I know. I think them nowadays pick me a
Start to say when the baby start born, we think about the pinching. They say so you book your tour. The granny grave in the yard for next door. Same a country man everything. And
yeah.
no quarter in grave
And
every
then the
time.
next thing to a be a grave. Be a grave. Be a
Yeah, just
grave.
come for that up story this day.
Be a grave I say a country man tell it. You see me? Be a grave. But
Yeah, just come up with that.
country,
Just a topic you tell
country
them.
night at rains come up with the dopey song. People in the makes you get afraid I know.
I'm not afraid.
Yeah, Fred. Yeah, you alone asleep tonight, eh? I alone asleep tonight.
Sleep and hit me.
Sleep again.
Hit me again, brother.
Be a grave there country man. Grave country was like a graveyard. Yeah, but no country nice man and build up country. Whole heap of water park, whole heap of, tourist attraction and
Now your
everything.
country.
St. Louis that have nice place too.
Why is the other than I the book I
Oh,
Why is on the places? Why is Safari, the Black River, Junction, yeah. Over them.
yeah man, country have a buzz you know. You know, if you not got a country, them say nah, say nothing. Country have a buzz you know.
Most part to keep.
Most part to keep a country.
Yeah.
Street dance keep a country and all them kind of song like big dance, stage show.
All
We
them.
got a country dance, come into the morning. Yeah man. We got a country dance and the nicest. Country dance, country night. Night keep right back to morning. And the night again a morning.
You make
The-
your experience country 9 9.
yeah. Night a morning.
I
You see me?
like town.
What do you want to call country night? You see me? I was like there, couldn't keep up, I have to go in and come back out and then go
I
in
didn't come
again.
up with the ducky frog. Oh, I know what ducky frog. Ducky.
Yeah.
And my granny read that already.
When I there the we take the night over about 5 or 6 times. Like you reach like about 12 o'clock, I'm say, yeah, I eat this now.
Mm.
I'm like, I'm still see people are come in and people feel go out. Right? I'm say, alright, maybe them go a little extra hour. Must say 1 o'clock come, the place get
So you never said that to me.
the place get packed. Me I say, oh, must a nice part this.
But you never experience something like that, Billy?
and then and then when it reach 2 o'clock, 2:30, I'm like, I said, no man, at what time you going? About 3 o'clock. I'm
You left
going.
your, remember saying you left your out there, man.
No man, me
Yeah,
going man. No man, going man, going.
you're going to go sleep.
Yeah, I'm going go people, I'm going go sleep about 3 o'clock. Right? I wake up about 5 o'clock or so.
Mm.
I'm look through the window, the bands is still out there.
I
And
play.
people out there play and I sing same way.
Bunch of people sing till daylight.
I mean, I say, yo, these people are so energetic. Yeah, I mean, I'm full of vibes.
Mm.
You know what I mean? Cause night, come morning. Cause the night again, a morning. You rinse, eh?
Them go dead yard. Life appears, you know, stuff. Yeah, them play band still
Straight to,
till a
straight
morning.
to, straight to morning. Straight to morning. Cause alright, the point when I say, yo, 1 o'clock, I'm gonna see more people are coming in.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, oh, yeah, no. A nice part is what.
Yeah, man, country dead yard. Wait back till a morning.
Straight, but I couldn't keep up. I have to go in and go
Oh,
rest.
two dead yard, two there come last night. One my sister,
I want,
my uncle.
yeah, 2 time experience. A 2 time?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 2 time. Man, I tell you,
So people do.
you have to have a chair where you can, them, you have to have a chair, like a walking chair, can fold up.
The extra man.
A walking chair can fold up. Yeah, having a hand like this. Yeah, so your foot dead tired, open it out and just sit down. You see me? Yeah. I would think them call we can lie down, you know?
Beach chair or something.
No, man, the beach chair, them, man.
Oh,
Between the two coconut tree, man.
hammock.
Hammock. If you can walk with a hammock.
Oh, it's
Yeah, man, I tell you, because country night not easy, man. They come for the food and the rum. But I'm tell you, say, yeah, the rum and the rum for the rum. I see people like drink hard. I'm going night.
that's it.
People go over the
Yeah,
limit,
so
man.
you and the family from town they get them. They come for the food and the room.
What?
And you notice what anybody will keep the night,
Mm.
they not start share the food early, you know.
Okay.
They share it late because
Come on.
if they
Come on.
share it early, half of the people they eat and go.
Come on, though. Come on. Them say experience teaches wisdom. So you have to have wisdom, but they also have to have experience to gain the wisdom. You see me? So if you know, say, the people them a come and you come and you start share like about 9 o'clock or 7 o'clock. People you not have them. So you have to have something to keep them. Especially the rum. You know what I mean? Yeah, and but I'm not lie, country night nice. Country night have a buzz. Country night nice. Not just say how them they did the whole night, whole morning, but enjoy themselves. And you have to enjoy yourself if you got a country night. Enjoy themselves. And you have to enjoy yourself if you got a country night. Because them full of vibes. And them a dance, and them a jump up, you know what I mean? And them a sing, and then right through the night. You know, come and something with them practice, with them, you know? Yeah, I tell you. But town night now, when we touch 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, you can't just call it the night.
11 o'clock you mean?
11 o'clock, 11:30, just I eat that. Mm-hmm. Town night, I eat that, man. nowadays nobody now enjoy themselves, man. Too much violence.
Fish and you don't say fish and bread.
You want fish and bread are the thing where you keep night night. If you not fish and bread, me not go night night.
See, but you know people have people nine go eat.
Fish and bread are the
One
thing.
time we go on nine up here. One time.
Oh you?
Mm-hmm.
Mm?
One taxi man. Long time.
Fish and bread.
I come to the time,
Fish and bread are the thing, man. Fish and bread are the thing, but goated soup, yeah, goated soup.
Manish water.
Manage water.
Manish.
Manage water.
Manish.
Manish water.
Right.
Manish water. Say it with me. Manish water. Mm. Everybody must know Manish water. Manish
Goated
water.
soup, just as it's said.
Yeah, Manish water.
Best soup that you know.
Bad man, not lie. Bad. Goat skin too. Goat skin. Goat skin, nice. Goat skin soup. Nice. Curry goat, fried chicken. Let's say curry goat, fried chicken. Hmm? Yeah, guys, but free people just living a unity, yeah, man, and niceness. And just everybody just come together and just live loving, and just enjoy ourselves, Too much violence in the world, Every man for themselves. Too much violence, man. Lady killer says, I'm Sasa, you're making me hungry. With our fried chicken and curry goat, right? I'm that box of that right about. I get too big, Barely I get too excited, I don't know what kind of competition my belly I run, but belly I get too huge. I start get at gym. Cause summer come up, Body want summer body.
Someone a Christmas now, Billy.
Eh?
A Christmas
Yeah,
now.
Christmas time gets COVID.
Christmas still a keep on tea. Think nobody a make no make nothing stop them. You think nobody a gonna make COVID stop them? See
Christmas.
word.
The C word.
Oh, that's what I come from. Why did I make COVID stop them for enjoy themselves?
Guys, when I say Christmas I keep.
Christmas I keep America, but we don't need to keep on Jamaica. And you say by next 2 weeks time they will tell them what's happening.
Enjoy the country, man.
So I'm sorry the funny.
Hmm? Mm-mm. So guys,
So in the life
we so end the live, cause we just come for us say.
whenever we plan to
Hi,
just
we
stay
don't
so
even plan so we
long.
have come pan live. We don't even know how we reach pan live, but God's will, come say hi to the people. But as you say, people were so just look out for some nice video for drop, Yeah. We've been in the bushes. But we are come out of them. Yeah. My country on lockdown again.
Who? Which country that?
Renz.
New York?
Canada. The Canada Renz. Canada Renz, a Canada lady. I suppose the Canada Renz.
We know, we know say, Ocean Lake, Canada.
Grand Market are the best. Yeah, Grand Market.
Which country, Ocean? Saturday. Canada,
Ocean
America.
there, Canada. I'm gonna think that Renz are Canada there, right, Renz? Cause Canada wish for my brother them there, you know.
And the man that them too?
Yeah, them supposed to handle that. But my brother say my guy work.
Oh no.
America, America.
Oh, some part of America and the lockdown are all of it.
Maybe some part.
You never know.
We never know that Renz.
The government said next 2 weeks time we can't know what's happening, but based on how the rate will go and how they might keep one bag of illegal party and stuff will happen, I don't know if I'm going to open the country, but let's just see.
These guys are so crazy. Right? Everybody for in them house and them a keep illegal party and a illegal party a be a incident to happen.
Mm-hmm.
You know, people are get hurt, people but it is what it is. We just have to work with the law. When I say lockdown, you stay inside. Simple as just get where you get from early and just stay inside. Like what Ding Dan say. Inside, inside.
Right now, we just have to just go and enjoy life and see if this corona thing will go blow off.
C word.
Yeah, that same something.
Yeah, I just say people will drop some banga banga videos.
We're trying to work on our quality content and say we try so we can get people that make some little better content.
In stores and workplace.
Um, Insta. In that first place, that them should open up over there so quick. When they just open it up back.
So Puppy Show is back in the building. Where else now, babe? So Lady Clay is saying that's good, keep on working. Yay! We are not going to stop. We're, you know?
Puppy Show saying bills maybe get a car but me there and now. That's what I am saying too. Yeah man, when them open it up the country, them should open it up at the time. I feel like that's why them have so much first to contract it
Yeah.
over there.
And
One state
it has spike again.
them say almost 1 million people catch it or something like that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
People them now listen out here man.
Breadfruit.
Be an illegal party people them out here keep. And then say if them
Breadfruit.
if them did keep the illegal party and nothing happen,
Would so
something
bad.
always happen. See the little girl almost lost her life. How much she gets shot up over Spain. Plus the country one, how much
Ask her again where the hiding for Rasta. Jaja. Jaja where the hiding for Rasta. Jaja. Jaja where the hiding for Rasta. Ask her again you where the hiding for Rasta. Rasta Ja. Jaja. Push up.
Sassy not easy, you know, sassy. It no good that the work is breadfruit that.
Gotta walk it.
Oh, we
Breadfruit
are
make a
referring
coward,
to.
man.
Sassy,
No,
we are referring to.
Papa sure that ask her about breadfruit. I
Oh,
go on for the breadfruit.
but
You
you
want
have some
breadfruit?
economic.
Just tell me if you want breadfruit. Breadfruit. You want breadfruit? You know them tune eh? You know them tune eh? Who sing that song that again? Ching Ching. You want breadfruit? Just tell me if you want breadfruit. Breadfruit. Yeah, man, the breadfruit song, man. Just type in Ching Ching, man. What's that? Ching Ching? Ching Ching. Dancehall song, man. One dancing song, breadfruit. If me don't want dancing move, me that showing it some nice Jamaican dancing. I mean, them have some weird name for the dances. Them I don't know why. Cause our dance name breadfruit art, breadfruit art.
The buy breadfruit here and it no good. Oh, Sassy, you know, so Jamaica alone can get the best breadfruit, man.
Yeah,
Try get somebody bring up some for you, man.
Jamaican breadfruit have a buzz,
We feel like
buzz.
the one where they must in a foreign, they like. We feel like the one where they must in a foreign, them no good. The amount of bruise and lick up them the breadfruit they get before they reach a foreign.
Papa show some long for say a breadfruit.
Boy, it's just in the long piece of breadfruit, a piece of walking breadfruit,
I die for a breadfruit. Next time, Marion, showing some dance, make the space. You know what I mean? The dancing,
But
dancing space. I'm showing some bad
I
dance.
put a two left foot a three over that.
Eh? A 3 left foot Marvin and 2. You see me some bad dance. You can go and tell the people about me have 2 left foot. You see me? Some bad dance. Breadfruit dance. Rope. Yeah, dance same rope, don't it?
Yeah.
Throw the rope. You see me? Low me now. Gas.
But I
Yeah.
know long time dance that day from
So,
2000 and probably 8.
right. I give the people the history. Bogle. Chichi,
Like,
it's
Sassy look like a young breadfruit them send up, man.
where Bogle dance him
Because
again.
that's all like it young.
Bogle dance him again. Where they and all of them there. You know what I mean?
Sassy said the breadfruit taste bitter like it drop. Young breadfruit that Japan, you know them
I,
combine it.
yeah, like them.
Like it never fully.
Them
Them
pick it.
force, yeah, them force it for fully before time.
Mm-hmm. Breadfruit for big man. You know what I mean? I know you have roasting breadfruit and steam breadfruit and fried breadfruit and
We love roast. When it roast and
roast
then it fry,
breadfruit.
yeah, we love that. The only, it's if it just roast, I put on piece of butter for
Nah,
it.
man, Ren, me not forget the history, Ren, man. As the dance them come up, you see me? Tomorrow Wednesday, you know, yeah, cause it's class up
Oh,
on
Sassy
Wednesday.
say I'm Jamaican. Okay. Sassy say I'm Jamaican breadfruit. Oh.
Some all time Bookland, some you see me? Yeah. Ready. Sister Claire says you're hungry, I'm hungry.
Because they talk about
I
a
be
breadfruit and food hungry.
true man, be a food. No that about Duppy.
And then we will drop it on food.
Mm-hmm. Duppy and food, you know? Feel like I'm not beat all the lasagna, you know? Nice, nice piece of lasagna. Jesus, I run like wow. You know them way there?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know them way there, man.
Babe,
Hmm?
you need to give me milk for a spoil.
Nah, nah, spoil. Not going to spoil. It's not going to spoil. It's not. Guy said pass a hour now. You know what I mean? Hear that? You see? You can't talk about lasagna. I used to say that people must say them hungry now. If you do that,
No, you mentioned lasagna. You mentioned lasagna.
can't be them something, them, man. Sure, 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 man. You want to ramp with Clay, Lady Clay, you know? Don't ramp with Lady Clay, man. Don't ramp around. Always saying, sir, that's true. 2 more hours to go. What?
By four, by 5 o'clock, my first hour.
What time now? The time is now
46.
8:46.
8:43. 8:49.
8:43. And by five, no, by so by,
Quarter to 5, you have to wake up.
yeah, by 4:45.
Mm-hmm.
By 4:45 I wake up, you see me? And ready for reach at work by 5:30
30.
in the morning. So I forget some whole heap of rest, you know? Share them out, guys. Ocean say share them out, share them out.
And Ocean will be still here, you know.
Me know a
It's
man.
18, my friend was coming and she promised to bring breadfruit and left it, you know. Yeah, man, Sassy, if you try, if you get somebody, man, if you know nobody will come up, can bring up breadfruit for you. No, like some yard food, you know, man. Ocean, how you know, go live again. Or like, them did shut up, you know.
Show man, Ocean live
Ocean
is
stop,
shot.
just go, stop the live. First part of lockdown, oh my, those days was like
Bomb, right?
some late hours we go sleep.
Wow. Them time when we used to go in bed at 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and then I have to get up by 4 o'clock. Hit the road again. Sometime a day I work, and some I have to hold my eye them. Like a close pin, I have to get between them and I hold them. Yeah. Sometimes I have to hold my eye them like they are working and I hold my eye. And I kitchen work and I shift work and I'm literally have to hold my eye. That's like that nice when some I am sleep, you know. Mhm. Mhm. Oh, glad to hear from everybody, you know. Yeah, it was so, can I say, refreshing. So refreshing for you. Come on live and hear everybody are see no, I'm not say sick, I'm not soon, but una see we, you know, or una see me, cause coffee and ever hide, you know. But for, you know, come on live and we are communicate, just refreshing, you know. Bring a wow factor to the day. You know what I mean? Eh? Commercial, it's a water with wow. That's a wow factor, you know? Yeah. Yes, bells are true. Yeah. Wow, that's a buzz. You know what I mean? It's a buzz I go, it's a bzzz. Yeah, that's a buzz, that's a buzz, that's a buzz. But we'll come back, man, you know? We're gonna try. See if we can go, we're not going to permanent say we're going to live every day, but at least a 2 day in the week or so. Yeah? Take the time out for us communicate and just have a laugh and just talk and just, anything we want to talk about again, Yeah. A little buzz again. Guys, you don't realize when I say buzz, it's like bees just coming at the place and buzz. Sounds good, yeah? Sounds good. So guys, we are kinda end the live now, So everybody stay safe, you know. Stay safe, stay safe, stay safe. When you can stay inside as possible, when you stay inside, When you get enough stuff them for keep inside from not going outside, right? Yeah. So when you live, walk, and be careful. God bless you know. Then Stevie love, love, love everybody. You know? Ocean tell everybody night, everybody good night, good night to all of the family them, all of the kids them good night from Bell's TV. It was nice having you guys. So good night. Bae, come say good night, bae.
Good night.
Really? Come on, man, bae. Come say good night. Good night. Good night to you, my friend. Till we see you again. Bye, guys. Bye.
Yeah, come up now.
So I just want to tell the people them good night. Yeah, it's Ocean is something for sure, yeah. You want to see Ocean? You want to see the face of again?
Tomorrow night, man, come up and running,
So she said tomorrow night, guys. Tomorrow night at 7:30.
What 7:30 will you come on,
Yeah,
sister?
so tomorrow night at 7:30 people. She's going to be the host. She's going to host a live for the first time. She's going to host a live at the first time. Show me now do what I say. That's only in the gym, you see me? And more my gym pass, so we can go gym regular. So me now go do that. We get in no trouble, Yeah, me now go bother her tonight. Now show her up tonight. Right? So guys, bye again. You know? Everybody just take care of yourself. I mean, be safe again. I follow you. Ocean, so we start talking about the gym thing. We not gonna come off of this thing, right? That's the more people are jumping now. Good night, good night. If you're just coming in, good night and welcome to the live.
Running to 9 o'clock, almost 9 minutes, 9 o'clock.
Rent a lie, you see me? So Ocean, if we start talking about the gym thing, we not go with it. You see me? So more people are coming in, vibrating with Kimmy. What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. How do we dust that in it? You see me? Dust that in it. To all who just are forward, welcome. You know what I mean? Yeah. Greetings to you. You know what I mean? Greetings to everybody that just a come. Yeah. Friends just say, hey Kim, hey Kimmy. Hey Kimmy, welcome, 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 welcome. You know? Mm. Come like so now, but
You see what Jim do? See what the Jim do on her? The Jim fit her up.
no, but you know, so they are about I would never have planned for go live. Never have a plan for go live, but we just decide say we come and say hi. You see me and make the people know say yo we don't work I know they not see no video, but we ever drop some videos. We did a come say live but we there from about an hour now, you know, and thing. Reason why I'm in the life, man, my work schedule and everything change up now, the time change up so and that's a time factor man, you know. You know you have to get rest cause you have a hectic day come up at work and so and so on and so on. You know we I love for us sit down and talk the whole night like one time, straight back to the morning, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. No man I don't want a gym time man. Man say gym are my the gym are my personal gym, you know. You see me can get that
You see your
anytime.
smooth. When you buy your personal gym.
Yeah, so I can get that anytime.
That means you can go to the gym
Much
anytime.
love, G Kicks. Welcome to the live. Welcome, my brother. Welcome, saying much love. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Know what I mean, yeah. What's my say? Wash on the gym. Gym, my specialty. That my personal gym. That, but else can go gym there. You see me, so me can get that anytime I want.
Yes, gym, you see you because me I see it because once a day. Push at the gym anytime.
Yeah,
See
man,
me
gym
fit her up in
anytime,
a
man.
nice way. I'm like how me
Anytime, gym.
fit her to you see. Good morning, good morning.
You know. Mm-hmm. Grinding, Grindville. See what Jim do me I tell you.
Fit her up in a nice way.
Well, that's what you call results. That's what you call results.
What shall I hear?
You know what
You
I
say
mean?
make me still go to the gym every night?
Jim with effects.
Mm-mm.
Mm-hmm. See what Jim do me? I tell you. The man them time we used to talk about Jim man and I talk
What?
about Jim man.
We just a
And
talk.
Ocean and laugh and Ray and yeah,
So this is a baby gym you go.
baby Jim. Jim they are serious Jim man, you know? Yeah. Premium package. Premium package Jim they come with man. Mm-hmm. So guys, we're about to end the live. No, it's this now. Now when it starts on like in our live, eh?
Oh,
Just guess. Country nine night.
oh.
Cause we end it about 3 times now.
I wanna eat it.
I wouldn't end it. I just saw country nine night go on and on and on and on. You know? No gym for me. My membership expired.
Wait, I thought you didn't say
Why?
before you
Why is
go.
a serious statement that I'm making at me? Serious statement, right? Because I say a statement do you make, a statement the ocean did make to you know, right? It's a gym close, it's a gym this, and gym that.
Can't wait.
Gym can't wait. Me not gonna gym and this and that. You see?
Mm-hmm.
You see what gym do? Eh? So me know the next 1 month or so, yeah, you have your result. So be careful what you say, Kimmy. Cause same thing Ocean say, So gym expire for she. She not gonna gym.
Should have charge a phone. One I charge a phone. Lift it up.
Mm-hmm.
Which percentage it?
Renew, laugh all up. But now I tell them I say at the same thing she say I don't Kimmy, I don't want no surprise, alright? I don't want no surprise, right? Don't want no more surprise. I don't want the next couple months or so. You know how the story go. Different thing. Different results I say. So, see that? That my like with rains. Straight gym settings. You know what I mean? Sweater for run. Calories of a burn. What I tell you? No sir. No sir. Until you know easy, Have fun at the gym, Ocean. Why? Take it too serious. Take it well serious. Take it well serious. Anyway, guys, this is good night from us again. You know what I mean? This is good night from us again, guys. Right? Thanks for being here. You know what I mean? Thanks for stopping by to everybody. You know what I mean? Yeah. I wish you all a good night. You know what I mean? Who forgot gym? Gwaan. See me?
Everybody got you.
Yeah, everybody go on a gym. See me, I give everybody gym pass
Ocean said me
tonight.
not leaving. Not leaving.
May I go to gym pass tonight? Everybody go on a gym. Y'all have some fun, man.
We see a girl squat.
What do you?
What the and a battery drivers.
What me I tell you?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, the girl no want waist trainer. If I the same video me see on Facebook.
The same video we see?
We did show you that the whole her body bust out.
Mm-mm.
Like she do surgery on it.
You never see that one day.
I don't know if I eat the saucy at all.
10 good night before you. Me can't manage to do that. So gone left for now. So they gone left for now. Too much I'm gone already. 3. So one more good night, good night, good night. You see the horse? You see the video horse? Who did it easy? You see her? You see her all around look a pink so?
You is a pink tiger. It's
Uh,
pink tigers.
so guys, good night again. This is the final good night, guys. You know?
Two of them boss, silicone boss. Yeah, man, me see it, it look awful.
Mm.
I think we did show it up on
No,
Facebook. Me never show you.
never show me at all. You show me, I remember.
That they have really there.
Yeah, 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 alone it was there. I wasn't. Hmm. Why she do that, people? Why she a box me? Hmm? Why she is boxing me? Good night, my beautiful people again.
Give them till half hour more.
Good
How much?
night,
One
my
minute almost done.
beautiful people. Again,
1 hour how much that be? 20 minutes.
again.
You want to sleep?
When the bright lights start to fade,
Fire
fire up your lighter, far away the
away.
way. You
You make
make me
me
feel
lighter. So kidding. That's to say bye.
Bye with a buzz.
Alright guys, tomorrow I'll try and see if we can come on tomorrow night.
Yeah, a little early, you know?
Mm.
So you guys look out for tomorrow night. Tomorrow night. Tomorrow night.
Is it down a bit?
Tomorrow night. Bye, guys. Bye.